everyone, I'm Tiara, management student from University of Technokraт Indonesia. So in this video, we will learn about research methodology. This is first my video about that material. So let's learn with me. In college, we will learn how to write article and proposal in correct way. But in this video, I will explain the basics. So first, we must know what is research. Research comes from the word re, which means back, and to search, which means to search. Research is an effort made to find answer to curiosity. The research implementation process consists of three stages, namely input, process, and output. Input is an activity starting from determining the research topic to obtaining data. The data that has been obtained is then processed with the analysis tool used based on the needs of the researcher. Process is to make the research input, process, and output. Research is structured with systematic steps. According to Jugianto 2018, the research steps are as follows. First, identifying research issue or topic. Second, selling the idea or issue by justifying that the issue is interesting and important to research. Third, is determining the objective and contribution of the research. Fourth, developing hypothesis. Fifth, designing the research. 6. Collecting data. 7. Analyzing data and testing hypotheses. 8. Evaluating and discussing research and result. 9. Showing research limitation. 10. Proposing improvement to subsequent research. In this research is include to methodology research material. And now we must know what is research methodology. Research methodology is the study of the method or ways to conducting scientific research, including planning, conducting analysis data, and drawing conclusion. It is a systematic framework used to solve research problems and generate new knowledge. Research methodology example is qualitative research used in-depth interview to understand respondent experience and perspective, while quantitative research use survey or experiment to measure variable numerically. Research methodology is important because it helps researchers identify research questions, select appropriate method, and collect data systematically. Next, we move to problem formulation. Problem formulation is one of the most important stages in the research process because it will be the main foundation in determining the direction, scope, and approach of the research to be carried out. A research problem is a scientific question that arises from phenomena or event they require explanation or solution in scientific context. Problems are not only limited to practical problem faced by society or individual, but can also sum the theoretical gap, conflicting results of previous research, or aspects that have not been explained in academic literature. A good problem formulation must meet several criteria, including clear, specific, focused, and can be researched scientifically. The problem formulation should be stated in the form of question because research aims to find answer based on data collected systematically. This research question must be able to describe the relationship between variables if using a quantitative approach, or describe the phenomena in depth if using a qualitative approach. For example, in a quantitative approach, the problem formulation could read, is there any influence between the use of social media on employee work productivity? While a qualitative approach, for example, what is the experience of teacher in implementing online learning in remote areas? The first step in formulating problem is to identify the problem from field observation, literature review, or practical experience. Once the problem has been identified, researchers need to narrow its scope so that the problem can be analyzed in depth. In this process, it is important for researchers to compile a strong and logical background. to the problem, so that the resulting problem formulation has relevant and contextual basis. The problem formulation will also be the main reference in compelling research objective, hypothesis, and methodology use. And problem formulation cannot be considered as mere administrative step, but as the core of the entire research process. Mistake in formulating problem can cause research to be undirected, unfocused, or even irrelevant. Therefore, researchers must pay serious attention to compiling problem formulation carefully, critically, and based on a logical framework. So, that's the basic material about methodology research. I hope you enjoy learning basic of methodology research with me. So see you in the second material, methodology research. Thank you for your attention. See you.